Hi, this is James from McKayResearch with another market update. This week looking at the cryptocurrency markets, which are increasingly bleeding into every other industry, it seems, from the financial services industry to the automotive space to the payments industry as well. So several important developments this week. We had Elon Musk announcing his $1.5 billion investment into the Bitcoin market, which promptly sent the prices haywire. We had the Chicago Mercantile Exchange announcing its Ethereum futures contract. We had MasterCard announcing that it would accept or increase its acceptance of crypto payments among its merchants in 2021. So first, looking at Tesla's decision to invest $1.5 billion into Bitcoin, I don't think that the significance of that can be downplayed in any way. Those of us who have followed the cryptocurrency space for quite some time will be very familiar with Michael Saylor and his business intelligence company, MicroStrategy, who have been very vocal about their accumulation over the past 12 months of a significant multi-million-dollar position in Bitcoin. But the idea that the fifth largest company in the world by market cap would invest that quantity of Bitcoin obviously raises the stakes to a whole new level, and really, in my view, heralds the beginning of what effectively amounts to a Bitcoin arms race, where some of the biggest companies in the world now see it as an actual necessity to have Bitcoin on their balance sheets and not the US dollar. And this is important for three main reasons. The first, of course, is that more businesses are recognizing now that Bitcoin does have merit as a store of value and is appropriate to be held on their balance sheet as a reserve asset. Now, this really marks an extraordinary evolution in perceptions and attitudes around Bitcoin, where even 2 years ago, had you suggested that a major corporation would be drawing down its dollar-denominated cash balance in favor of Bitcoin would have been unthinkable. The second important point to mention is that more companies are seeing Bitcoin's investment potential. And again, Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy was really the guinea pig here. Since they started investing in Bitcoin back in August 2020, their share price has increased some 667%. So that wouldn't have gotten lost on many in the business community. Now, the third and final point to mention is that whereas the cryptocurrency and equities markets used to be seen as very distinct, the ramp up in business investments into Bitcoin has resulted in more and more retail and institutional investors looking to gain exposure to those companies as a Bitcoin proxy investment. So what this is likely to do is to increase the positive correlation in how the two markets trade. Now, many will see that as a positive development because the crypto markets have been on an absolute tear recently. Bitcoin alone has been up almost 66% year to date. But of course, there's a potential downside in that it's well known that the equities markets are very much overvalued at the moment. And a significant correction this year is seen by many to be overdue, myself included. And this could also spell danger for the crypto markets that are increasingly trading in lockstep with many of these companies. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It would really help the channel grow. And don't forget to drop a comment on this or related subjects in the comments section below. Thanks for stopping by.